Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to use part design tools like a pad and revolution in FreeCAD. You learn also the several ways to invoke these sketcher tools. First, we learn the definition of a body in FreeCAD. A part design body is the base element to create solid shapes with a part design workbench. It can contain sketches, datum objects, and part design features. The next tool is part design pad or extrusion. The pad tool extrudes a sketch or a face of a solid along a straight path. The other tool is called revolution. The revolution tool creates a solid by revolving a selected sketch or 2D object about a given axis. Here, you find the steps, how to create the solid parts, and the several ways to invoke these tools. 1. First select the sketch. 2. Then press directly the pad button or from Part Design menu. 3. Set the pad parameters in the task panel. 4. And at the end, press OK button. To create a pad or solid part, first I open the empty file. Then I create a body. The body provides an origin object which includes local X, Y, and Z axes and standard planes. In this body, I will create a sketch. Select the plane on which you want to create the sketch. Full constrained. Creating a fillet. Making the fillet radian equal. Now, I will create a circle. Dimensioning from the center of the axis. Create a symmetry about the axis. create a solid part with a pad tool. This window shows you the different pad parameter options. Choose one of the options according to your wish or design. First, I will show you the dimension and symmetry combination option. Here, I have full constrained sketch. The sketch is on the XY plane. The solid part is above the XY plane. Now, the solid part is symmetrical to the XY plane. Now, I will show you another option, and for this option, first I will create a plane above the solid part. Creating a sketch on this plane. Select first the sketch and then the pad tool. Now, I choose the option up to face and then select the face. The pad extended up to the face or the next solid part. Now, I choose the option up to shape. The pad extended automatically up to the next solid part. The other option is to dimensions. Means one dimension above the sketch and the other is below the sketch. Please subscribe if you like this video. In this part of the video, we cover the FreeCAD Part Design tool. As usual, first we create a body and then the sketch. Select the sketch plane. create the sketch. Full constrained. Now, I create a construction line for rotation axis. Change to construction line. Select the sketch and then the revolution tool. The sketch is automatically rotated about Z axis. Select Construction Line 1 to change the rotation axis. In the following example, I will set the rotation angle and the symmetry plane. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD Part Design tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.